All right, guys, I got a quick one for you today. This is frustrating the heck out of me. It might be frustrating you. See this little area here? I got this van crossing the frame here, and I want to do a really cool transition where we basically mask it out and show something underneath. Now, in the opacity section, we used to have masking tools in there, okay? But in the newer versions of Premiere, they changed it. Now it doesn't exist anymore. It's in this tool, which is like a masking tool. So you've got a pen masking tool, you've got a rectangle masking tool, different shape masking tools. You've got the object select. These are all awesome. So I'm just going to drag a square across this, because I just want the whole thing, right? And you would think the way that this works is similar to the previous masks, right? Where you basically create a keyframe, you move the mask along the path, and it will just create more keyframes, right? And so that's what I'm doing here. Basically set the keyframe up. I'm going to move the mask over to where the van is, and no keyframe was made. What the heck is going on here, right? So I figure, oh, let me manually make one. Maybe I just have to manually do it. I'll scrub back. But look, scrubbing back and forth, it's not moving. It's not following my keyframes. And I'm getting very frustrated, as many of you probably are who are watching this video now. Look at this right here. This is the solution. There's a button here for clip and frame. You just need to switch it to frame. When you switch it to frame, all these new keyframes open up. There's a whole transform section. And now when you move your mask, it will actually continue along the path. Look at this. Now I'm scrubbing, move the mask, scrub to the next section, move the mask. And when you do it this way, you're seeing all the keyframes are being formed on the left-hand side here. And when I scrub through all the way, now that these keyframes are here, the mask is moving how it's supposed to. It was one simple fix. It's usually one simple fix, but it was frustrating as all heck. So that's the fix, is you just swap those buttons there. Now that I did that, I feather it out a little bit. And let me grab a new clip so you can actually see the effect, because right now you're not going to see anything. That mask is on the opacity section. We can go into a whole nother video on how to use the new masks if you would like. But for now, I'm just going to show you what happens when you put a secondary clip underneath here. And now as that van passes, boom, it wipes to the new shot. And that's all you want. That's all I wanted. It was a very simple wipe with using the van as a little thing there. And all it was is that one little button there. When you click on the mask right here, just change it to frame. That's it. Hope that helped.